everyone, and welcome back to Your Values. Hope you are well today. Today is a video about ego. Now, what is ego? Ego is what stops us from saying sorry. We are proud of ourselves. We're afraid to maybe show our true self. We're afraid we always want to seem strong and not show our emotions. So we have ego. Ego where I don't say sorry. Ego, no, I'm not sad. No, I'm strong. As Alan Watts said, the end of ego is world savior, and I absolutely agree with that. What prevents us from having all life values is ego. Now, I believe that it is very complicated to not have ego. However, you can put it a little bit aside to be grateful, to have respect, to not be afraid of asking questions, be curious, to go out there and start this new job and don't be afraid of failing. This is what prevents you from succeeding and finding your life balance. Sometimes we're afraid of failing. We're afraid of failure and we're afraid of what other people are going to say. But truly, people who succeed are not afraid of that. They put their ego aside and they don't care. This is what is going to make you find your life balance. If you don't care about what people say, you will finally be happy with yourself no matter what people say. You will do your dream job no matter what people think. This is why putting ego aside is so important. See you soon, guys, for another video. Hope you loved it. Hope you liked it. If you want, you can leave a comment, a like, share it. See you soon on Your Values.